My name is Linda Miller and I live in Toluca Lake. I've been in the animation profession for, about 30-some years. This house used to belong to a Disney designer who had a lot to do with the building of Disneyland. I first contacted Novel when I had a leak in my pond in the front yard, and Sean came over. We started talking about things I needed. I'd been in the house for about 16 years. The front yard was lame. There was a lot of overgrowth. There was a lot of dirt. It hadn't really been properly attended to. The brickwork we kept and repaired in a lot of cases, but we added a lot of flagstone. We added the pebbles in the walkway, which is a very traditional Chinese treatment. The pond is original to the house. It's a rectangular pond. One of the things that's really nice about it is that it's always had dragonflies, but what we've done has made it even more attractive to them. The side of the house, the big feature now is a Chinese-style wall with blue roof tiles that were imported from China. I wanted an Asian-style garden, and one of the prominent features in a Chinese garden is one or more walls. Traditional Chinese gardens are wonderful. The details are wonderful. In the kitchen and bathroom, we took out the white vinyl and put in black linoleum, which is a much older style, but is appropriate to the house. The ceiling in the family room area is reminiscent of the planking that used to be there that had been covered over with acoustical tile. We have sort of a family tradition, I would say, of making the guest bathroom a really special place. The original closets had 6 narrow doors. I decided that instead of those 6 doors, I would put in sliding doors. I'm very happy with the quality of the work. I would recommend Novel, and in fact I've given their number to several of my friends who are interested in doing work in their houses.